So good morning guys, we have a new product from Victoria. We have the salt, yes, and we have the ointment for the crack, and we have this salt. Yes, this is the salt and this is for the cuticle, and we have the crystal, and we have the refreshing guys, this one, foam. Yes, this is the spray and this is the foam. So thank you for watching guys, and visit in our salon Lavity, and we have the menu. Yes, this is the menu for our salon guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.